Welcome back everyone to a brand new video. So today I'm gonna teach you how to make a custom status for your Discord bot. Now, what I mean by a status, or maybe as an activity, I'm gonna show you how. So this is an activity here, and this here is gonna be the status. There is a difference. This is an activity. Currently, I am on VS Code because I installed an extension. So I'm going to teach you how to make an activity and a status. So let's go to the index.js file. Let me just close this. So let's go on to the client ready event, and then let's say client.user.set activities. Gonna be a method. Now we're gonna have some bunch of properties here. Now there's one which is gonna be required, which is the name of the activity. I'm gonna name it shade edge. It's gonna be a string. Shade edge. Now let's save this file. I already have the autosave on, so let's run node watch. Oh, sorry. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so it's displaying shade edge, but it's not in this part over here because we haven't set it as status. Now, if you try to use .set status, you're gonna have different properties, which is gonna be unrelated to the activity. So this is gonna be, oh, actually, it's gonna be DND idle. Now by the status, it means like the presence, either do not disturb, offline, online, just like this. So it's gonna be, so this is different. You should know the difference. So let's set activity. Now let's set it back to shade edge. Now, as you have seen in the activity on my account, it says playing. Displaying, and it also says playing, even though we haven't added the type of the activity to say playing. That's because Discord by default sets it to playing if an activity type is not provided. Now let's provide a custom type, so say type. So we're gonna import something from Discord.js called activity type. Make sure to import it over here, activity type. Now we're gonna have a bunch of types of activity here, like competing, custom, listening, playing, streaming, and watching. Let's try watching shade edge. Okay, now it switched to watching. So as you have seen, there is competing. Let's try. And it's changed to competing in. Now let's change to listening. It will still be the same. It'll still be the listening, still be the same. Okay, now streaming, let's try streaming. Now streaming is gonna require another property to add in the client.user.set activity method here. It's gonna be the URL, which is gonna be streamed. Now I don't have any URLs to share, so I'm just gonna use this URL. Now it must be a YouTube link or Twitch link, otherwise Discord won't show the button I'm gonna show you later. Now the URL, now it's gonna be string 2. Now let's try again. Okay, now the status has switched to this purple. This purple thing here means it's streaming. Now we have the watch button available because we provided a YouTube link. Now in order for this to work, you need to have either a YouTube link or a Twitch link, otherwise the watch button and the purple won't appear. Now there's another URL, it's the same as YouTube, so let me just, this is, sometimes when you share or copy the link, it will be YouTube to dot b. Now I tried this before I started this because I was testing it. I tried this and it didn't work. It has to be exactly youtube.com. youtube.com or Twitch link. Any other link want to let the purple thing here and the watch button here appear. It won't appear. So sometimes now let's let the status switch to another one randomly every 10 seconds. Now let me just remove this. I'm just gonna remove this. Now outside the client ready event, I'm gonna make a variable called status. Let status. Now it's gonna be an array of the status here. So just give me like about 2 minutes or something. I'm just gonna add some status. Okay, so I just added some status here. I finished the array. Now it's ready. So inside the client ready, as I said, we're gonna make it random. So let's say set interval, and then we're gonna do the arrow function and say let random equals math.floor math.random, and then status.length. Then we're gonna say client.user.set activity, the status, and random. Actually, I forgot one thing here. So I said 10 seconds, so the 10 seconds is gonna be 10,000 milliseconds. Make sure to set it here. Now the set interval must be set inside the client ready event. So let's run node watch again. Okay, now let's wait every 10 seconds. Okay, because status 3 is working. And 4. Okay, looks like it's working. Okay, now it's working. Now before we begin, I also said how to set the status here, the status over here. Now this is gonna be another type I didn't provide here, so I'm just gonna remove all of this. I'm just gonna remove this and this. Let's say client.user.set activity name. Let's make it, for example, shade edge again. This time the type is gonna be activity type dot custom. Now this is how the status will be displayed. You must have the activity type set to custom. Any other will set it to an activity, not a status. Okay, so this is how you make a custom status or activity for your bot. Now I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe.